I used to struggle so bad to write scripts, and they always made me sound like a robot on camera. And then a couple of friends gave me some great tips on how I could easily write scripts in my own voice and make it sound totally natural. And I'm going to pass those tips on to you today. So let's get to it. My name is Michael Fire Jr. I'm YouTube Growth Certified, and I am dedicated to creating content that can help you grow on YouTube. If that's something you're interested in, please consider subscribing to the channel and click that bell so you know when I have new content that comes out. I'm sure everyone has their own process for script writing, and some people just create bullet points that they can talk on throughout their video. I find that I struggled with bullet points because I'll tend to ramble on and say the same things multiple times. Then it just makes the edit a complete nightmare. I had to figure out how to script my videos. But every time I wrote a script, it just felt robotic, it sounded robotic, it looked robotic on camera. Not what I want. It's really difficult to get a good connection with your audience when your script isn't in your own natural words. So instead, here's what I do. I bullet point out my script. What are the things I really need to touch on? I get those down in bullet points. Then in my head, I go over each bullet point and think about the things I might want to say about each subject. Once my thoughts are fully gelled out, I'll start saying the stuff out loud. And when I hit on something I really like, what I'll do is I'll use speech to text to record it exactly how I say it. That way I know it's going to put in there exactly what I want to say in the most natural way, because I just spoke it into the text-to-speech app. If you don't want to use a speech-to-text app, that's just fine. Once you say it out loud and you got something you like, go ahead and just type it in or write it down so you know exactly what you want to say. This is the best way to get scripts where you're naturally speaking into the camera and not sounding like some kind of robot. A lot of times, even when you have a script, you'll end up saying something 4 or 5 times into the camera just to kind of change the inflection a little bit. See what you like best. I use Trello as the app to record my scripts. You can set up a checklist for each board, and when I have a line for the script ready to go, I text-to-speech it into that piece of the checklist. That way when I'm filming and I've read the line, I can just check it off. This makes it an absolute breeze to film too, because as soon as I'm done and I check it off, I know it's done. It's on the camera. So I personally find scripting my videos allows me to be much more natural on camera and not repeat myself, which no one wants to hear. But how do you script your videos, or do you? Leave a comment down below and let me know. If you're still struggling to be comfortable in front of the camera, check this video out. I think it can really help you. If you just want to see what YouTube thinks you're going to like to watch, go ahead and check this one out right here. If YouTube growth content is the kind of thing you're into, consider elevating your strategy. Subscribe to the channel and click that bell so you know when I have new content that comes out. Go out there, film something awesome today. Make it count. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, and I will see you soon.